chose Meredith because I could participate on a soccer team while also getting an awesome academic experience.
I've loved being a student athlete here. I am very much academically focused, but I also love sports and being on the court and being surrounded by my teammates and that high adrenaline atmosphere.
Playing a sport, it has taught me the meaning of discipline. I show up to practice not because I'm accountable to myself, but I'm accountable to my teammates and my coaches and just the program that has invested so much in me.
The coaches have been a great influence on me, have always been there for me no matter what I need.
If I had to describe Meredith in one word, I would have to say opportunity. As a captain of the lacrosse team, I've been able to expand my leadership skills. I've always been told I'm a natural leader. I have an ability of just bringing the team together. And as the captain, I serve as a liaison between the coach and the athletes. And it's been great because I get to work with women from all different backgrounds, all different ages. And it's also made me grow as a leader.